Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher Pankaj Kumar and this is the video of class 8th. In this video, I will discuss some topics about chapter number 3, charts in Excel. So today I am going to discuss the following topics. Introduction to charts in MS Excel, creating a column chart in Excel and how to add chart title and axis title. You can see in the previous class, we have already discussed about types of chart. These are the following types of chart: bar chart, column chart, radar chart, XY or scatter chart, pie chart and dognut chart. So let us come to this topic, introduction to charts in MS Excel. So what is a chart? Charts represent a visual and pictorial representation of data, which make it easier for the users to quickly understand comparisons, patterns, and relationship between the large amount of data. Okay, so with the help of chart, you can easily understand the data and you can easily compare your data. It is a visual or pictorial representation of data. Your data can be represented in the graphical form. Okay, and you can easily compare your data, you can easily understand the data, and you can make relationship between the large amount of data. Now second point, a chart is also updated automatically with the change in data. So whenever you make any change in the data, your chart is also updated automatically. You can see this example. I have already created a chart. So this is the data, and according to this data, this chart has been created. Okay, now you can see I will change some data. Okay, I will make some changes in data and the chart will be updated automatically. So you can see this is the Vijay marks, Vijay English marks, it is 90. Now here Vijay is denoted with a sky blue color. Okay, and a sky blue color English marks means this marks is Vijay marks. He has got 90. So make here, suppose you make some changes, you make it 20. Okay, and when I press enter key, this chart will be updated automatically. You can see now his English marks has been decreased by 20. Okay, now when you do 80 or 90, it will increase again. You can see. So in this way, whenever you make any change in the data, your chart is also updated automatically. Now next thing, coming to the next topic, column chart. So today we will learn how to create a column chart. First, you have to understand what is a column chart. A column chart is a commonly used chart type to display the data in the form of vertical bars, and it shows data change over a period of time and shows the relationship among the values. A column chart's categories are organized horizontally and its values vertically. You can see I have created this column chart. This is the example of column chart. You can have another types of chart, like you can see, you can have another type of chart like bar chart, line chart, etc. Okay, so there are many different types of chart. This is your line chart. Okay, so you have many different types of chart, but today we will learn about column chart. Today we will learn how to create this column chart. Okay, so this is the column chart which is used to commonly this chart is commonly used chart type to display the data in the form of vertical bars. Okay, now coming to the points, creating a column chart in Excel. So we can create any type of the chart available in MS Excel. To create a column chart, we have to follow the given steps. Step number 1, select the cell or the range of cells containing the data that you want to display in your chart. So suppose this is your data. I have already created this data. Suppose this is your data, and you want to create a column chart for this data. So first thing, you have to select the entire data for which you want to create a chart. Okay. Second point, you can see, click on the insert tab. You have to click on the insert tab. So after selecting the data, you have to click on this insert tab. Okay. Now third point, in the chart group, click on the column option. A drop-down menu displays a list of all the column chart subtypes. And fourth point, click on the type of column chart you want to create in the worksheet. So first you have to click on the chart group. Okay. In the chart group, click on the column option. So coming to this chart, coming to this data, first you have selected the data. Then you have clicked on insert tab. This is home tab and this is insert tab. So click on insert tab. Now in the charts group, you can select any one. Okay, but you have to create a column chart. So click here. Now a sub menu will open. You can select the type of column chart you want to create. This is 2D, this is 3D chart, this is cylinder, this is conical chart, and this is pyramid. Okay, what type of chart you want to create? Suppose I am clicking on 2D chart. Okay, suppose this one, the first one. Now, according to the selected data, this chart has been created. You can also resize it and you can shift it anywhere in your worksheet. Okay, so this is the chart which you have created. In this way, you can create a column chart in MS Excel. Okay, thank you students. In the next class, we will discuss editing of charts and how we can create grid lines and axis titles.